Hello, I'm trying to find a way to bring the hair in this skincare video. Before I carry on with the skincare, can you see how I'm doing with the moisture check challenge? Only moistured my hair once. That was wash day, almost 7 days ago. Look at the moisture. Hey, anyway, but this is not a hair video. This is actually a skincare video. Normally I would wear my hair back because I want you to see the whole face and the skin, but you know, I couldn't leave my hair out. Not this video, no. So this week's video is really about my skin and how I've improved my skin with aloe vera, and I want to tell you a little home truth. I'm going to spill the tea. A few things happened in my journey of this challenge. Anyway, if you want to see it, you've got to stay tuned, okay? Okay, so it's no surprise to a lot of you because I have online friends. You guys who keep coming back, you're the best. Seriously, I love you guys. You guys are so supportive. Thank you so much. And of course, the new subscribers. You guys are becoming my friends as well. Those of you who don't know, I'm 48 in the time of making this video. And my skin has been a journey. And those of you who already know have had so much joke and have gasped at what I've been doing to my skin. Once upon a time, my skin was beautiful. I need to just bring up to speed for those of you that don't know already. Let me give you some story. Let me show you. My skin here was in its best possible state. Yeah, my skin was well hydrated. It had a really nice tone. It was adult acne free. We don't want the adult acne. No, I don't want it. So that's when it all started to go downhill. Yeah. So of course, Melanie was not happy with really lovely skin. No. Had to go and mess it up, didn't I? As if I was not happy with what God had given me. So the first line of crazy, it was when I decided to buy some products that I thought would take my skin from here to there. But what happened was, when I bought the salicylic acid and the glycolic acid products, I used them in the wrong way. I overused them and burnt layers of my skin here and had a mark, which I called the map, on my forehead. Yeah, I know. I can almost hear you through the camera shouting at me, saying, "What are you doing?" The second time I went crazy was when I decided to use an epilator, which you can see here. It has miniature little tweezers and it's supposed to just pluck all these hairs out. For the first day, it was amazing. My skin was so smooth. I was so happy. By day 2, there they come. The bumps and everything come. They come with a vengeance. My skin was so red. So after that happened, yeah, I was on a route to change the way I look at my skin, because that's all it was. It was a mindset. I had to change it. I did not need to aim for perfect skin, so I decided to take it down. I need to change my routine and just chill out with the skin. And then of course I was sponsored by 2 amazing brands. One of them was Banish, and I used their microderma needle, and then the other one was Lumiere Skin, where I used the microdermabrasion tool. Both of those tools bumped me up to really seeing massive change. So at that point I realised that, you know what, I need to stick to natural products. So I started to take sea moss, and my skin condition was very nice. It was nice and soft, it was silky, it was well conditioned, and that's brought me to now. I kind of feel like, you know what, I'm on the gang now with the aloe vera. So I thought I would try my hand at putting aloe vera on my face, and I thought I'll do it for 5 days. So I thought, no, I'll do it for 7 days. Let me tell you, sister, I'm telling you no lie, it took me 22 days before my skin started to really change and get better. Like 22 days. So these were the things that happened in between it. In these 22 days that I thought was only going to last for 7, my menopause was playing up. So I had a hormone rush. So I had bumps around here. I had a rash started around this area. I had an outbreak of spots up here. Then I started to have a spot here. I had a spot there. You can still see the scar. but I still kept going because I really believed that it was, even in all of the challenges, it was important for me to see how well the aloe vera will work. I thought to myself, I'm not giving up on this thing. Given the fact my skin's 48 years old, my collagen production finished decades ago, and because aloe vera contains all of the key properties for soothing the skin, you know, providing the skin with the vital nutrition and moisture, and it's an anti-inflammatory. Aloe vera contains lignin, which is the carrier of the aloe vera. It goes straight down to the dermis. It's what carries it. So the aloe vera properties actually go straight to your cells, which gives it a more effective use to your skin or your hair, and it's perfect for the ability to draw other ingredients into the skin. Up to speed. So I took myself to a very simple routine with aloe vera. Because I'm on the aloe vera gang, I thought I'll try it, you know. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead. I have actually washed my face already. I put a bit of moisturiser on because I've just in a routine and I completely forgot. So day 3 of application for the aloe vera. So the spot that I had before, you can still see it's a faint, I mean, it feels like it's surface flat. Apart from that, we're gonna put on the next application, okay? So now that's on, what I like to do, I have no idea if this makes any difference at all. I really wear that into my skin. I have no idea if that really makes a difference, but I'm going to do it anyway. And how I'm going to do that is my assisted little thingy. So I'm just going to work that into my pores. Okay, I'm coming to you right now, and this is probably day 8, I think it is. I felt like I didn't want to keep coming on here every single day, just showing you me applying on it. And also because I didn't really see any difference in what, you know, any improvement in my skin. However, day 8 kind of feels like my skin is starting to, the condition of it, like my pores are reduced slightly. You know, it looks a lot more smoother. The appearance of my skin looks a lot better. I am filming on cloudy day, so lighting is a bit weird, and also I'm filming on my my phone at the moment. My skin feels completely conditioned, like it's not getting as dry as it was before. I'm kind of happy. I've got a nice little glow going on there. My skin feels amazing. It feels nice and soft. My skin tone just looks a little bit, you know, more even. What do you think? Look, got some sisters here. She came to the party unannounced, and this weird thing, I don't know what that is, it's just, I got rid of it and then it's just come back again, which is really weird. And then I've got some hormonal spots here that are turning up, which is very weird because the rest of my skin seems to be working out really well. During the time of my, I don't know, it's not my menstrual cycle, it's during the time of my whatever's going on with my body hormonally, the aloe is still working. I have it here, so I'm going to put that on. Oh, it's lovely and cool, it's come straight from the fridge. I know it's past day 15, I think. I'm not sure, don't quote me, okay? But right now, I'm filming back on my camera, not my phone, because I'm trying to give you some accuracy, you know? Don't want any fake shots here. Okay, so this beautiful gooey stuff is what I'm going to be applying again for the last time. So here we go. One thing I've been really happy about is that I've got my skin to a place where I don't have to wear foundation. My Fenty Beauty Pro Filter setting powder. This is the colour Honey. And I love this. I just use a little bit. But, you know, I don't have any foundation on. Honestly, it's such an achievement after all that I've been through. Aloe vera definitely helped. I would say try it for yourself if you haven't tried it already. It's worth a try. Anyway guys, I'm going now. Thank you so much for joining me today. I appreciate you. And if you've tried aloe vera on your skin and you've had amazing results, maybe you can share your remedies and your DIYs to get your skin looking beautiful, eh? And thank you so much guys for sharing all your challenge results in previous challenges. It's really inspired me, and I can see that it's inspired you guys in the comments as well. Also guys, I must tell you, the next challenge for June is coming up. Next video, okay? So I'm not sure which day I'm gonna be, if it's gonna be Sunday or it's gonna be during the week. I don't know. I might give you a something for the week, eh? Give this video a thumbs up because it lets me know if you love this kind of content. And share the video if you think somebody else has got some, you know, needs some help with their skin because it looks a little, not really. No, share the video if you think it will help somebody, okay? I'll see you again in my next video, guys. You take care. God bless you. Bye.